Hi, I'm Andrea from the Dougherty Art School. I always enjoy finding new ways to upcycle materials, so today I'm going to show you a project you can make using empty chip bags. For this project, you'll need empty chip bags that are metallic inside. Make sure you rinse and dry them out before use. You'll also need hot glue, a hot glue gun, scissors, and a cardboard or styrofoam cone. You could also make a cone out of paper or even just use a party hat. First, you're going to take your empty chip bag and cut along the top and the bottom so that it's nice and straight. Then we're going to flip it over and cut along the seam in the back so that it opens up into a rectangle. Then we're going to cut our long strips. So I like to make cuts about every 2 to 3 inches, and then you'll do this for all of your bags. Now for each strip, we're going to make a lot of little cuts spaced about 1/8 of an inch apart. You don't want to cut all the way through the strip, so stop about 1 centimeter from the top. Next, we're going to start attaching the tinsel to our cone with hot glue. The bottom of the tinsel should meet the bottom of the base of the cone for this first layer, and you can cut up the tinsel into shorter sections to make it easier. Now we're going to add another layer of tinsel about 1/2 inch above that first layer. Make sure to be careful with the hot glue. You can use the scissors to help press it down if needed. Now we're going to use the scissors to curl that layer we just added. To do this, firmly pull the scissor blade along the tinsel the same way you would curl ribbon. Do this all the way around. Continue gluing layers of tinsel to the cone. When adding a new layer, move up about 1 inch and then curl it before you add the next layer. Keep going until you cover the entire cone. Now we're all done. You can use this technique to make trees of all sizes. Thanks for watching, and please check out the rest of the Dougherty's videos.